G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now there are some really great improvements coming out at the moment for SharePoint Online in regards to branding and UI design. And one of those features is the section background. So the ability to apply different gradients or things like that, or colors or solid colors to your section backgrounds. Now, something that has just rolled out and I noticed the other day that I wanted to bring to your attention and something that's been highly requested for a long time is the ability to upload your own background images for your section background. So that's what we're going to take a look at today. We're going to create a page with multiple different sections and we're going to have a look at how we can incorporate that type of design to really enhance the look and feel of your pages. So let's jump into our Copilot Studio Center of Excellence and we're going to create a brand new page. So the page we are going to create here is let's start with a blank page. So we'll go for 5 easy ways to use Copilot as our title of our page. And then what we're going to do is create a number of different sections. All right. So we'll go 5 easy ways to use Copilot. Let's just pop in an image in our for our background. We might let's choose the Outlook one for the header. And then let's start building out our page. So our first section is just going to be an intro section. So we're just going to leave that plain for now. So we'll just grab some text. We'll paste our text in here. Let's format this so that we've got a bit of a heading. So we'll change this to a heading 2 and we'll just pop in some paragraph text here as well. And then just finish off this little section with a little bit more text that I'll just copy and paste from a pre-written script here. And that'll do for our introduction section. Now we'll keep that background of this one white, but what we'll do is let's add another 1 column section. So this part here, again, I'm just going to grab some text. So we'll just add a text web part in here. And we'll fill out the contents of this section. So let's go text and we'll add that in here. And we'll make that a heading 2 and we'll just add our text in here as well. So we'll just grab some text and pop that in there so that we've got some content. All right, so we've just added a little bit more text to our section. Now let's have a look at how we can break this page up. So in the properties of our section, you can see that we've got our background colors. So we've got some solid colors that we can apply, some gradients and some pre-set options for us that Microsoft give us. But what we can now see is we can add a background. Now, when I click add a background, we can use and upload our own images. We can choose the stock images. We can search the web, and it really gives us a lot more functionality and flexibility to be able to now add our own personality and style to our sections. So I am going to upload an image for our background. So let me just grab this image right here and we'll add that as our background image. So that's uploading and you can see that that is now applied to the section. Now we have a lot of other settings that we can choose here. So you choose our fill mode where we can scale to fit, scale to fill, tile, and also original size. So you can see that it changes the look and feel of the background image as we change these. So I'll go scale to fill. We also now have, or can have, an overlay color. So we can have white, we can have black, we can have a gradient as well. So you can see that really, if we've got a white text, then it really does make that text pop out through that section. We can also change the gradient direction. So top to bottom, bottom to top, left to right, and given here, when I choose left to right, we can see that it really enhances that Copilot logo in the background background, and also with the white text really does make that stand out. We can change the overlay opacity as well if we wanted to make that a little bit darker, just to make it more readable as well. So there's a lot of options there for us now to be able to really craft out and really make our pages stand out with our background image, over and above just solid text and our gradients. Now applying our own background images to our sections, you can see there really enhances that user experiences and branding of our pages. So I hope that brings you some value today. Background images coming into SharePoint sections to really make your SharePoint pages pop.